Hi, this is Angelica De Silva, and this is my week 6 summary for Triple E 202. This week we had the lab practical and the interviews, so we had no class time. This is partly what was in the lab practical was a parallel series, a lot of multimeter measuring with current, voltage, and resistance. So there was a lot of different things in the lab practical that had to deal with that. Then we had the Arduino setup, which was this one, which I didn't complete at all because I didn't understand it. I thought I understood it, but I clearly did not. Then this week we also finished up our project 1, and me and my teammate went out and bought a box to put everything inside of it so it will look more better. We'll see how that ends up turning out. But here's a overview of how it looks. Then for the rest of the whole entire week, I updated my journal, and I made sure to have all of the Arduino schematics of everything, that all the different, I think we did 5 different Arduinos, or was it 4 different Arduinos? I don't remember. And then I made sure to write the code out, and then on the other side I wrote down what was exactly happening in like every single line that was different. And then this week's neat resource was the riprap, and I really liked Angel's post because it was the same exact link that I went to at first to learn the history about riprap, so I really liked this one. And then I also liked Alexander's link on riprap, which was dummies.com, which is always a good site to go on to. I spent spent around 4 hours this week on this class, even though we didn't have any class time. Most of it was spent on the project 1, looking for materials, and then a good part of it was also updating my journal. And then here's also the polarity detector instructable on how to make everything that we finished today. And that's it.